Andrew here at DrDetailInc.com, CurbRash. You've probably seen some of my videos. This is the before on this new 2019 Tesla. Before video, and then we'll do the finished. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Andrew here from DrDetailInc.com. This is video 2. We repaired all the curb rash on this new Tesla. I think it's a Series 3, Tesla 3. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. We are the benchmark in the city of Toronto for wheel repair, curb rash, and specialists for Tesla cars and many other cars. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. We're by the airport. Come and visit us. We do a lot of lease returns too.